Hello everyone, Crypto Gruber here. In my last blog post, I started reviewing Crypto.com as a great opportunity to earn high yield on your cash and make a nice passive income out of it. I decided to make the second part as a video tutorial and actually show you how easy it is to use the application. I assume you already downloaded the application and signed up for the service, because that takes a couple of days to get verified with Crypto.com. You'll have to go through the standard KYC Know Your Customer procedure. Once you're done with that, you'll see this screen in your application. And the first thing you'll have to do is to actually transfer some money into this application. And you have some options to do that. First, you'll go to transfer here. And you can choose to deposit fiat. That's all the money that you know that is not a cryptocurrency. US dollars, euro, Canadian dollars, Australian dollars, British pound, whatever you use in your country. You can also choose to deposit other cryptocurrencies that you want to store here. For the sake of this tutorial, I'm going to stick to fiat only. Here I have US dollars and euro, but you can choose other currencies as well. So you'll choose your desired currency. Make sure you read all the details about your transfer and make a bank transfer to the Crypto.com bank account. This is the easiest and the cheapest way to get money into the application. Make sure you are not paying extra commissions by using the Swift network, and use the cheapest option available. This way I'm able to make deposits in the application without any commissions. After you do that, you'll have to exchange your money that you deposited, your USD, your euro, whatever it is, into the stablecoin. And for that, you'll have to click on buy, select the currency we want, in this case, Tether. It's true that there is an option to buy USDT with a credit card and not go through the bank transfer process, but here you'll lose 3.5% for each credit card transaction, and in my opinion it's not worth it. It will just decrease the interest you receive from the application. So I won't do that. I already deposited some money and I'm going to choose the fiat wallet. Now I'm clicking on the amount that I want to exchange. Here at the bottom you'll see the maximum amount that I can trade for the money in my account. I'm going to click that. And I just press buy. These are the details of the transaction. I click on confirm. And that's it. I have my stablecoins. Now let's earn some interest on the stablecoins. I click on the middle button at the bottom of the screen. And from here I select earn. I already invested into this program. I just tested the 3-month term that gives me 10% per year interest on my money, on my stablecoins. A week passed and I already earned 45 cents. The flexible plan is most recent. The interest is paid weekly, so I don't have any commission on that. But let's go ahead and earn interest on the stablecoins we just bought. The first screen you see might be different if you haven't used this feature before, but the process is the same. From here I'm going to click on the plus button, select Tether because that's what I bought before. For this tutorial I'm going to choose the flexible plan, but you are free to choose whatever plan you want. Make sure you read and understand the terms and conditions of this feature. And then select the amount of stablecoins you want to put into this plan. As you can see, it says I don't have sufficient funds. Sometimes Give it a minute or two in order for the transactions to settle in and all your money to be ready for investing here. Wait a minute until the money is ready. I'm going to present real quick the plans that you have available. So you can either earn, let's actually go and see the plans. You can either earn 6, 8 or 10% of earnings without you investing anything else into the platform, based on the amount of time that you want your money to be locked in. If you want a flexible plan that will allow you to put money in and get money out whenever you want, you'll earn 6% per year. If you choose to lock your funds to this application for 1 month, you will earn 8% per year. For 10% per year, you have to lock the money for 3 months. And this is how you can earn high yield on your cash with this application. Let's continue and see if all our money are ready. There it is. 250 is the minimum amount of the stablecoins that you can use in order to benefit from this program. So I'm going to choose that. Here are the details. I confirm. And that's it. I deposited 250 USDT to crypto earn. That's all there is to it. Unfortunately, interest is not compounding. That means that you'll always earn interest on the amount you deposited, not on the interest you received for the weeks before. Let's say I have some USDT to exchange to something else. I'm going to click on sell, select Tether, and here I want to convert it back to euro. So I'm clicking on the fiat wallet, click on the amount I want to exchange, and at the bottom I'll see the max amount. I'm going to choose that and press sell. Confirm. And that's it. Now my USDT is converted back to euros. If you use my referral code, you have a chance to get 50 USD. The details are here. You can see that when your friend takes 50 MCO, you both get 50 USD in MCO. What that means is that you'll have to go and deposit around $250 right now. Go and buy. MCO is the first currency that shows up right here. It's around actually 285 right now. The price is very volatile, it goes up and down. You lock it up for 6 months and then we both get 50 USD. Locking this 50 MCO for 6 months will actually get you a better debit card. So if you go to the main screen and select card, you see here that I already applied for a debit card. This gives me the possibility to use the whatever money, cryptocurrency I have into my crypto.com account to use a debit card with that. I'm still waiting for them to verify my address and send me the card, but a 50 MCO stake will give you a better card. So I pulled out the website where you can see the benefits that you get from the upgraded card, the one that requires you to stake 50 MCO. These are the benefits that you get. I'm interested in it. However, I want to order the free card first, see how it works. Afterwards, I will gladly review this one if it's truly a better offer. By any means, you don't have to buy 50 MCO, you don't have to stake it, you don't have to order a card. Right now, I'm just earning interest on my cash with stablecoins. I'm happy with that. Later on, after I'm getting approved for the debit card, I'm going to use it. I'm going to test it out. I'm going to review it, see how good it is. I'll let you know, and hopefully it turns out a great deal. But until then, I'm going to earn a nice interest, passive income on my cash. I really hope this video helped you. Let me know in the comments if you like it, if you didn't like it. I'm going to make more videos like this, so make sure you like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.